Hey everybody, I'm Jake. This is Fastland Classic Cars in St. Charles, Missouri, 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west. And today we have a beautiful 1967 Plymouth Belvedere. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, this is the correct color for this car. Turbine Bronze is the name of it. This is back when they actually had cool names for the colors of cars. This is powered by a date code correct 440 cubic inch big block V8, backed up by an A727 Torqueflite automatic transmission, and in the back you have 8 3/4 rear end with 323 sure grip gears. That's posi traction basically for you guys playing along at home. Again, this is the correct color, Turbine Bronze. You have the awesome hood scoop, probably the biggest hood scoop I've ever seen in my entire life. Really makes this car look extra badass. You got newer 15-inch Crager SS wheels with the BF Goodrich Radial TA tires. I think the best looking tire for cars like this, especially muscly cars. This also has the correct interior color, white vinyl with the split bench. Looks amazing, especially with this bronze. The door panels are two-tone white vinyl and painted black. You have an aftermarket steering wheel on it. You do have vintage air conditioning in this one. If you know anything about vintage air, they're the best in the game, so you have great working AC and heat. In the interior here, you got the factory gauge cluster up here. You do have your factory heat and AC controls here, but you got your vintage air nicely mounted here in the middle. As you can see, you got a factory radio here, but in the glove box, you also have a Kenwood unit. That way it's not messing up the look of your dashboard, but you still have the modernness of a newer radio, but nicely tucked away there in the glove box. You do have some auxiliary gauges down here for water temp, oil pressure, and voltage, so you can monitor everything going on with your 440 big block. The interior is in great shape. The dashboard looks amazing, not cracked anywhere. The carpet looks basically brand new. You do have 6x9 speakers, tweeters, and two 12-inch subwoofers in the trunk. You can see the speakers down there in the kick panels, and then you have two up on the deck lid up there. I'll show you the trunk in a second, because the subs aren't just sitting back there in a box. They're actually integrated really nicely into the trunk. The sills on this car, all the door jambs are painted nicely. Everywhere the doors open and close great, effortlessly. All the bright work on this thing, just fantastic. These Mopars are huge. A lot of real estate to put chrome on. I'm gonna let this guy leave, he's very loud. But this color with the chrome and all the white looks fantastic. Back here, you got the chrome and bright work on the back that says Plymouth. Looks awesome. Dual exhaust. Speaking of the exhaust, you do have headers and an X-pipe exhaust, dual out the back. There goes the loud car guy. This car also has power steering, power brakes with front discs, so you have much easier steering and nice stopping power because you're going to be going quickly because you got a 440. Why wouldn't you be going quickly? But you got the brakes to back it up, so you're all right. So while I'm back here, we're going to take a look inside the trunk. If I could remember which key it is that opens it. Trunk pops open nice. Looks good back here. You got your floor mats. Over here, you do have the factory steering wheel in this box if you want to put that back to factory. But the real thing I wanted to show was how nicely these subs were integrated back here. You got this nice carpeted panel, white vinyl to match the interior, and then these beautiful subs, black with the chrome, kind of match the whole rest of the car. Nicely integrated into the back here. All nicely painted underneath too. Again, the seals look fantastic, painted inside the jambs, all fantastic. These actually look and feel brand new, soft rubber, very nice. Close this up. Ooh, trunk closes fantastic. The metal flake in this paint too, when you get up close to it, it just sparkles. This bronze paint looks fantastic. Really isn't a bad angle on this car anywhere. You do have cranky windows. They're not mad at you. You just got to crank them up and down. And if I'm not mistaken, yes, they are tinted. You can kind of see it up there. So you have nice tinted windows. So when they're all up, you got your privacy and a little bit more protection from the sun. They roll really nicely. Again, interior fantastic condition. I love the white back seat as well. Doors closed nicely. Let me pop the hood real quick. I like these because they're easy to do one-handed. There's your beautiful 440. You can see the headers down there, nicely heat wrapped so you don't cook anything else in the engine bay. There's your air conditioning unit right there on top. Power brakes, as you can see, even that looks polished or chrome plated. Super shiny. This engine bay looks fantastic. And this massive hood scoop up here helps this big old air cleaner suck in plenty of air for this massive 440. Looks like we got a Holley carburetor on top of it too. Very nice. This thing sounds good, looks good, runs good, drives good, and I'm ready to start it up and take it for a spin. So let me crank it over, give it a quick walk around, and then I'm gonna go grab Chris and we're gonna take this thing for a drive. And just to show, it's been sitting out here for about an hour, I wanna say. I can totally wrap my hand around this header. It's not even warm. So it's completely cold. Let me give it a quick start. I am gonna give it a few pumps because this 440 likes to drink fuel. Very nice. Already idling on its own, look at that. Got the fan on, we'll turn that off. See, water temp down here hasn't moved. Oil pressure at idle right away, we're around 50 pounds, which is perfect. Voltage gauge is working and we're charging. Very nice. Man, it sounds good. I actually haven't tried the radio yet. Let's see if I can get it onto FM, figure out how this thing works. Oh, that sounds amazing. I'm probably gonna get copyright struck, but I don't care. That sounds fantastic. All these new speakers are working, I guess. Let's hear this thing from the outside. Yep, sounds good. It's a 440, why wouldn't it? Coming out of a fantastic exhaust system. See how quiet the engine bay is. Wow, running very quiet, very smooth. No weird noises from up here. Very nice. All right, let's close this up. I'm gonna go find Chris and we're gonna drive this thing. Oh my. Into the inside of the beautiful Belvedere with a 440.
Yeah, you can't really miss it with that hood scoop.
No, it's the biggest hood scoop ever, like I mentioned during the walk around. Are you excited?
Oh, anytime it's a big block, I get a little excited.
Big blocks make Chris excited, ladies and gentlemen.
Why wouldn't
you heard it here first.
Why wouldn't it? My gosh, definitely makes some cool noises.
Especially when your big block has a vintage air conditioning system on it.
Thank goodness.
Which means that we have heat.
I love heat.
Good heat. I'm gonna turn it all the way to warm and get this thing cooking. Very nice. Our auxiliary gauges are working. Water temp's coming up. Oil pressure still well above 40, which is great. And voltage is voltaging.
Voltaging?
It's
nice.
voltaging.
And it's 60 degrees, buddy. Love 60. It being 60, man.
It's not that warm. I thought it was like 30 something.
What? Oh, dude, it's like 60.
It has been a minute since I did the walk around. That was earlier in the day. Let's see what it is now. Now that we're driving it, 51. We're both wrong.
Well, it feels great out there, man. Well, so this is Turbine Bronze?
Turbine Bronze, yes. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, we're currently asking $44,995 for this beast. Yeah, this is the correct exterior color and the correct interior.
Oh, neat.
White vinyl on bronze. This is gorgeous. Got the white door panels with the black.
It's very 1960-70.
In the sun, this color looks amazing.
Ooh.
That Torqueflite shifts amazing.
Yes, it does.
And we have sure grip.
Don't you love sure grip?
323 gears, so it's like the perfect middle ground.
It is. It's a cruiser still.
It's a cruiser, but it's still fast, but it's not going to be at like 4,000 RPM on the highway. Great.
Right.
Fantastic. And comfortable because it's a big body Mopar from the 60s.
Come on, babies.
From 1967.
Yes, it is.
What year are you from?
71.
71. So this still predates you.
It predates me by a few years. My parents got married that year, I can tell you that.
Oh, nice. I'm glad they had you within wedlock.
Yes, I'm so glad as well. We can't all be that lucky, eh, Jake?
Oh, goodness.
Just kidding. Wow, this is nice.
This car was very well done. The carpet looks brand new, like I mentioned earlier. The seats are in great condition, back seats especially. And I was testing out the Kenwood head unit, which is inside the glove box, so it doesn't ruin the look of your dashboard. And you got tweeters down here, 6x9s on the deck lid, and subs in the trunk.
You can't beat that with a stick.
No. Let me go back to FM somehow. I was there earlier. Nope. I'll figure it out. Subwoofer. Hold on.
This is a nice cruising car.
KC95.
Real rock radio.
It's the local classic rock radio.
Been around for a long time.
The only radio you're legally allowed to listen to in a muscle car.
True. That's it.
That's all you got.
That's all you have. That's all you need.
The windows are all tinted. Very nice. Even the little smoking windows, the quarter windows, are tinted. And you got this nice tinted visor above you.
Oh,
you're very protected by the sun in this car.
Not droopy.
No, the visors don't droop. The headliner, I didn't really even mention, looks fantastic. Dome light, black. The color combo on this is just classic. Tuxedo interior with beautiful bronze exterior.
And turbine bronze.
Chrome everywhere.
Yeah. Chrome, it's the 60s. Chrome was a thing.
Yeah, chrome.
It just drives nice.
Chrome
I like
is
the
very
steering
much a
wheel
thing.
too. It's smaller, but I like it.
Yeah, the original wheel is in the trunk.
Oh, good.
So if you want to go back to the big factory wheel, you absolutely can. But I do like that steering wheel on this car.
With the power steering, makes it easy.
And I like how they integrated the vintage air. It's not in your face. They used the black fascia, so it kind of blends in, and they left the factory controls sitting there for you, which is cool. Oh, the heat is heating.
Ah, yes.
It's kind of nice. It's one of the perfect days, temperature-wise, to have the windows down and the heat on. You know, sometimes in the summer, you like the windows down with the AC blowing at you.
Yep.
It's an ethereal experience.
It is.
This, windows down, heat on, feels fantastic.
And a smell of a muscle car.
Yes. Although this doesn't really stink.
No.
It's not making any weird smells or noises. Also, if I sound nasally, it's because I've been sick. I'm sorry.
He's as sick as a dog.
Not as a dog. Are dogs usually sick? I've never understood that phrase.
They got those cold runny noses.
Oh.
Thank you.
That guy liked it.
Of course he did.
Here's a bean test. Get past the bump in the road. Oh, yes. Oh, it sounds good. Feel the rhythm, feel the rhyme. Come on, Chris, it's bean test time.
Boy, that's a nice one. It just wants to go.
You can feel at speed how much air that hood scoop must be sucking in.
Drinking it in.
Like
a Bugatti Veyron.
And with the headers, the X-pipe, dual exhaust, this thing sounds
extra primo good.
Not too loud, though. It's not droney. But from the outside, I'm sure it sounds great.
We can hear each other think and talk.
Not a lot of thinking goes on between us, though.
We just talk. We're talkers. Oh, the snow's almost gone. I'm so happy.
I know, it's starting to melt. Still got some snow banks over here, though. All right, I'm ready for a flyby or two.
Or 7.
Not 7.
Okay, just 2.
But yeah, let me flip this GoPro around. I want to hear this thing from the outside. Well, you people at home will get to hear it. I'm going to be inside of it.
I think it sounds great. Can't wait. I'll take your microphone. I'll take your camera. There he goes. It's not like you can't hear it, because you most certainly can. Wow. What a stance. Here he comes. Coming down the street. He gets funny looks from everyone he meets. Hey, it's Jake. Sounds good. But it's not like crazy. It's not so loud you can't hear yourself think. You have a radio, and you can use it. There's those lights.
Oh, hello.
It's subdued. It sounds good.
I love a big Mopar.
Yes.
Anytime I get to look at a hood scoop that big, it's a good day.
It is a good day.
Did it sound good?
It did sound good, but like I was telling the good people, it's not crazy loud.
It's not crazy
It's
loud.
not crazy loud.
But it sounds fantastic. You have nice power brakes with front discs
Yep.
for the stopping power, and you're going to need that because it's pretty
you do.
stout 440 with 323 gears and sure grip. You're going to want to listen to it, so you're going to be flooring it a lot.
I would imagine
Which
you
means you will never pass a gas station.
Nope, it will
But
never
at
do
least
that.
you'll look good at the gas station.
You look like the best.
This is probably,
At stop signs, people will say hi to you.
I think this is one of the best looking cars we've ever had.
I like
it
the
a lot.
color. The Turbine bronze is really, really
Yeah.
cool. And true to the trim tag.
And with the modern touches like the radio and stuff, you could cruise this across the country in comfort.
Comfort.
This thing's
Always
fantastic.
a comfort Mopar.
You ready to take it back?
Let's go.